This is the inn at Irving Place. A small boutique hotel in the Gramercy Park neighborhood in New York City. This building is around 180 years old. In 1834, it was 2 family homes. In fact, the inn at Irving Place didn't open until 1994. But it isn't modern. There is antique furniture, a tiled floor, and a large open fire. So it looks like a hotel from the 19th century. Sean Redstadt, the general manager, describes the hotel.
At the inn at Irving Place, there are 12 guest rooms, 4 parlor salons, and 1 reception salon, as well as a restaurant.
The hotel is small. There isn't a gym, a swimming pool, or a spa. But the interior is very beautiful. The rooms are all very elegant and old-fashioned. In each one, there is a large bed. On the bed, there are comfortable pillows. There's a table, a lamp, an armchair, and a painting on the wall. Each room has a bathroom, too. There is a bath, a shower, and a sink. The inn at Irving Place is also famous for Lady Mendel's tea salon. In the Victorian era, tea drinking was very popular. Rich people went to each other's houses to drink tea. They didn't only drink tea, they also ate cakes. They always did this in the afternoon, so they called it afternoon tea. Today, lots of people still enjoy a Victorian afternoon tea at Lady Mendel's Tea Salon in the inn at Irving Place.